purposes we have
Start again. Start.
sorry. Our component is 2, that is collective reflection on the market. The purposes are 2 purposes. One is to identify and explore the existing markets, then channels and actors, potential markets, and the second one is to know what buyers want and why, and to strategize accordingly. These are the 2 we have actually made out, already there in the handbook, but we came little.
It's the beginning of that.
Yes.
Shall we?
Yeah. Next.
So these 3 points that we feel that must be made in description was the first is knowing the existing experience of the producers about the market. This is already there, but how can we further simplify it, keeping these 3 things in mind? What is the volume of sale in each market? They might be venturing local market, they might be venturing in the village, they might be venturing the district or nearby town. So how the volume of sale we can engage with them during interaction, so that we can understand not only the market but also what is the potential in that market. Then price in each market, because price may vary. In the village you will get lesser price as compared to town, but at the same time there is a time factor to reach the market or to reach to the farther place. So those 3 things, if we can simplify and put it in the exercise there, I think that would help us also and at the level of group also to further understand it. Second was understand what buyers in the market are looking for and why. So here again we should also in the handbook mention about by giving example that price could be one, variety could be one variable, quantity, then quality, place, and also the seasonality of products. Because Sunita would be explaining to us her experience of pig rearing. So that seasonality is very important in that case, that kind of a product. So what we want to propose that please also mention these things by illustration in the handbook.
Culture also.
Culture, right. We discussed that because we down the
No, I think the culture.
And third was when identifying the existing and potential channels and actors, we should, in the handbook, we should, in addition to the market transact, we should also have a small section as to how to do this by directly interacting with the producers. Because market transact anyway we can do, but there is a limit to that. We can only do the transact of the nearby market. But the knowledge of producers, they might be knowing that the pig from the bordering part of Nepal is again also going to India and also to Bhutan. So that is also potential market. So that clues we can get from the producers. So that also we should include in the handbook.
Very good.
Yeah, certainly the experience from Nepal will help in some of the specific illustrations that can be found in the handbook.
Very good. And Sunita, tell us.
We tested this tool in several groups, but then I will share the experience of one particular group for this pig rearing. So while talking with the group, we did a focus group discussion there. So it was in one day we did a focus group discussion, and it was enough for us to understand, the knowledge of the producer of the women. So this is a simple tool which and easy to practice at the field. But then the tool, the instruction that we have given can be made more simple. Like for example, like here the illustration or instruction is about doing through the bicycle tool, bicycle wheel. But then what we found is like that was more confusing for the collective. Okay, putting the product in the middle and then circulating the things in the wheel. So it can be made more simple by listing and ranking only. So that was one thing that we found in the tool. So what we did is like we did a focus group discussion, and we simply did this kind of thing, by listing, okay, in the local markets, where are the local markets, potential local markets at the village level, and who are the actors and channel. What is the potential markets in the city area, and who are the actors and channel, and where is the potentiality of the international market, and who are the actors and channel. So this was very easy for the the women in the community to understand also, and for also us to lead the discussion. This ranking and listing will be okay. So we don't need that bicycle wheel here. And what we found is like, definitely the price, the volume, and in particular this pig rearing business, the culture was also very much important, because the people who are producing this, doing this pig rearing business, they are particularly from one ethnic communities which consume a lot of this pig meat or pork meat. So even it is not even if it is not the festival season, the consumption goes well on a weekly basis in the village local level also, so that they can sell their products even at the local level in a weekly basis. So that is one thing. Another thing is in the city area is also that they have various potentiality, and it also goes out to India and Bhutan. So we found that community are very clear about the market channels and actors, but the gap is like who really use in the international market was the gas. They don't have this information. So that is what we felt here. And also we felt it's like component 3 is also very closely related with the component 2. So while we are discussing about the component 2, we can also at the same time we can also discuss about the potentiality through the transit work also, and we can also discuss about how we can improve the relationship with the various actors and market channels, and what strategy can the producer they really can apply to improve their production promotions. So this was our experience.
Very good.